Alright, I've got a Whirlpool matching washer and electric dryer set, and I'm doing this video so that you know when you get them home, plug them in, everything works on them as described in my listing. They work perfectly and that they're in excellent shape. So I've got a pretty heavy load of jeans and towels, and I always run a few just to test it, as well as a 28-point inspection on the washer and a 22-point inspection on the dryer to ensure that everything works as it should. So it's kicked into the agitation, lid switch works. So we're going to give it a chance to move through this cycle, and when it gets to the final spin, then we'll come back and I'll show you that it sounds good and it's nice and stable and no issues. All things that you'd want to look for buying used. So we'll come back for that. Okay, and we're back on the final spin. Move through every part of this wash cycle with no issues whatsoever. Sounds great. Here it is spinning at full speed. Sounds great, looks great. It's got a nice fast spin. You're not really supposed to do that, but that's what the lid switch is there for, and I show it just so that you can see it is spinning super fast. So we'll let that finish up, move the clothes over to the dryer, and show you that dryer. Alright, we've got those clothes pulled out of there. You can see it's nice and clean, so that one's good to go. Now we've got the dryer. I've got all those clothes tossed in there, so we'll close that up. We'll just put it on time dry. Oh, and I didn't plug it in. Hang on. If your appliance doesn't start, make sure it's plugged in. Now it's plugged in. Here you go. As you can hear, it sounds great. Nice and smooth. Balanced. All things you'd want to look for. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. This little heat gun, whatever that red light touches, tells you the temperature. So, real quick, I'll shoot that in here. See plenty of heat coming out of there. Plenty of heat coming out of there. And then that'll get all the way up to 300 degrees. But the inside will get between 100 and about 195 depending on what setting you have it on. That's just right below in that tube is where the heating element is. So it can get pretty hot there, but not on the inside. So there we go. Now you know that that works good. And it's got time dry, automatic dry with low heat for like delicates, that kind of thing, and then an air fluff setting. So plenty of settings on there. Well, there you have it. Now you know both of them work great. If you have any other questions or anything, please reach out. Otherwise, we'll get them listed up for sale. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.